everyone, I'm Dr. Jong of Lih-Ren Clinic. In this video, I'm going to introduce incision double eyelid operation. Many people have some misunderstanding about incision double eyelid operation. I hope that after my introduction, you will have a deeper understanding about incision double eyelid operation. When you hear the name incision double eyelid operation, you will know that incision is needed. After incision, the fat in puffy eyelids can be excised. For ptosis of tarsus, Levator procedure can be done. Hooding skin of aged eyelids can be excised. After the above procedure, double eyelid folds are formed by sewing the eyelid skin with Levator. The folds after incision method are stronger than suture method. In suture method, only tiny wounds are made. It is impossible to treat fat or Levator through these tiny wounds. How to evaluate whether your eyelids are suitable for suture or incision method? We use 2 eye sticks, put them on the eyelids. Push eyelid up when open eyes and then take out the sticks. Then we see how long the double eyelid fold can last. For the lady in this video, as soon as I take out the sticks, her double eyelid fold disappears immediately. The fat on her eyelids is so heavy that fat quickly put down the double eyelid fold. Her eyelids are judged as puffy. Incision method is more suitable for people with puffy eyelid. Some people think that incision method may end with unnatural result. Let me introduce a few cases. These are before and after pictures after incision method. Double eyelid folds are so natural so that the other people think she was born with double eyelid folds. Her eyes become bigger and beautiful after surgery. This is another case. You can see the great difference between before and after incision method and the Levator surgery. The other concern about incision method is the recovery. Recovery is longer than suture method, but it is not so long as most people think. Incision method is a delicate operation. If surgeons can treat eyelid tissue delicately, the recovery can be quick. Let's take a few cases for example. The appearance immediate after operation. The eyelid were a little bit swelling. On 1 week after the operation, eyeline can be drawn on eyelids. Eyelid look pretty good. The picture of 2 weeks and 2 months after operation, you can see that the recovery is quick. This is another example. Immediate after operation, 3rd day after, eyelids were a little bit swelling. 1 week later, the swelling improved a lot. On 2 weeks, she started to apply eyelash extension. Her eyes look beautiful. Next, I'm going to compare the difference between suture method and the incision method. This is a case of puffy eyelid. She decided to receive suture method. This is how she looks after suture methods. Because of fading of double eyelid fold, she agreed to receive incision method. Middle was how she looked immediate after incision method. Her eyelid was not so swelling compared with suture method. Below is the 5th day's picture after incision method. She said that recovery is quicker after incision method than suture method. For puffy eyelids, fading is less likely and the recovery may be quicker after incision method. Take this case for example. Firstly, she decided to have suture method. She was not satisfied with the folds because the folds were a little bit shallow and shorter, especially on lateral part. I recommend to her fold could be deeper and longer after incision method. She agreed to receive incision method. This is how she looks after incision method. She is happy with the fall after incision method. People are quite concerned about the scar after incision method. Are the scar obviously? In fact, the scar just like wrinkles around our joints. The scars are very visible and similar to natural double eyelid fall. Some people have keloid on their bodies and are afraid of keloid may grow on their eyelids after incision methods. In fact, keloids are very found on eyelids, not to be afraid of that. The picture shows after picture of two cases after incision method. The scars are almost invisible. In summary, the result of incision double eyelid operation can be natural. The recovery can be quick. The double eyelid falls are stronger and the fading is less likely after incision method. The scars are almost invisible. So that incision method is a better choice for people with puffy and ptosis eyelid. I hope the video can help. Thank you for watching.